As the sun sets on a day of thrill and the moon begins to rise, it's time to celebrate the magic and surprise of the night.
We got some action. This looks nice. One thing I'm not really too impressed with this, but beggars can't be choosers, is this base right here. It's pretty plain. They should brighten it up a little bit with some murals or some kind of something. It just kind of looks pretty bland. But maybe they'll do that in the near future. But we have action. Oh lordy, I love this. This is gonna be fun. Now granted, this is an old ride, but I loved it back in the day and I'm gonna love it now. I like the black lights, the blue lights, or as my daughter would say, the cool lights. But yeah, today's July 10th. I thought I'd stop by and see if there's anything new. Have some lights on over there on the Joker. Looks pretty nice, all lit up. I would say so. Everything looks like it's ready to go from the last time I was here. They got these signs up, which looks good. They didn't have those last time. Sounds like they got the music kind of synced to this location to some cool, sounds like horror music like Fright Fest. But we know it ain't Fright Fest. But it looks like it's go time, man. This thing's gonna open up any day now, hopefully. I haven't got word exactly when. Even though I'm part of the Texas Thrill Seekers, I really don't have a clue. I don't get on Facebook too often. I'm gonna have to get a zip line shot next time right there. See that? I did that one time, that one video. I like to see this lit up. Well, yeah, we got some action. Just a little bit. It looks like it's ready to go, folks. Can't wait. I'm excited. Oh yes. But yeah, that looked nice in action. I love those blue lights. They were sweet. But they are just doing some kind of quick testing. I think they're done. It'd be nice if they could turn on the Joker. But I do want to be here for opening day because I heard that they're gonna be, as they say, go big, go Six Flags. It's supposed to have a whole bunch of cool things, special appearances and guests by superheroes and things like that. Brian from SpookYouLaterz, the Joker. All right, but anyways, hopefully you guys like this update. Looks like it's almost go time. It looks like it's almost all ready to go. All right, so I'll be coming back. Stay tuned. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. Make sure you hit that notification bell so you get notified. All right, this is Brian from SpookYouLaterz. Until next time, you guys stay spooky, my friends.
We hope you enjoyed celebrating this.
Thank you for 50,000 subscribers. This is Brian from SpookYouLaterz. I appreciate each and every one of you guys. 50,000 subscribers, who would have thought? I appreciate you guys, I love you. Y'all stick around and keep on growing from here. And make sure you check out my daughter's channel, Harper's Playhouse, and my son's channel, Pixelbots Extreme. I appreciate each and every one of you guys. Once again, thank you for subscribing to Brian from SpookYouLaterz and tolerating my nonsense. I appreciate it. Thanks a million. Hugs and kisses. And let the Halloween season begin. That's right. Let's rock and roll, baby.